What's the meaning of automaker? Automaker. Automaker.
Automaker. Automaker. An automaker is a company that designs, manufactures, and sells automobiles. These companies are responsible for creating the vehicles that we see on the road, from small compact cars to large trucks and SUVs. The process of creating a car involves a wide range of tasks, from designing the exterior and interior to developing the engine and transmission systems. Automakers also play a critical role in the economy, providing jobs to millions of people around the world and driving innovation in the automotive industry.